and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. I make videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and I'd love if you hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys all my tips and tricks on how to get the perfect at-home manicure. And I get tons of questions about my nails, and I always get questions like, where do you get them done? Do you get them done? What nail polish do you recommend? Like all these questions. And I honestly never thought about filming a video, and a few of you guys are like, can you please do a video on it? So if there's any videos that you think I should do, be sure to let me know down below, because sometimes I just don't think of making a video about it, and I like sharing all my tips and tricks with you guys, and I'd love being able to connect with all of you guys through videos. So be sure to leave a comment down below if you guys have any video requests that you guys are interested in. But I thought this one would be really fun because I do love painting my nails, and I think it's a great way to relax, and it's just like something fun to do. And I did do Valentine's Day nails. I thought it'd be fun to add like this little gold one. I just think it's so cute. So I'm gonna tell you guys my tips and tricks, what I do to paint my nails, what I like to do when they're drying, because I know a lot of people are like, this is really boring, you know? First tip is to remove any old nail polish, because you want to have a clean surface to start with. You don't want to start like layering your nail polish on. I just kind of use any nail polish remover. I got this one at Target because it was a really good price, and I will use either a cotton swab or a tissue, but I was using a tissue when I did my nails this time because I could not find any cotton swabs. So I just like damped the tissue, removed the nail polish. I was removing red nail polish, which is a lot harder to remove than some colors, and it might take a few like scrubs on your nails just to get all the color off, but it's so worth it. So then you have a clean nail, and then I like to go by with my little file that I have, and this is from Revlon, and I think I got a pack of like 10 to 15, maybe 20 for like $3. They're super inexpensive at the drugstore. So this is like a nail file. They're just, you like scrape your nails on. Kind of a weird noise. So I like to shape my nails, and I kind of made my top of my nails more of a straight line. I made them even so they're all similar size. I think it's really nice to have, and they look similar to this hand. But again, I do have really long nails naturally, so it might be different if you do have shorter nails. And then I like to use the opposite side, which is like a softer nail file. I don't really know, and I kind of buff my nails because I get my nails done a few times. Like I'd probably get them done like big events like prom and homecoming, or if I was just like, I just want to treat myself and get my nails done. And I always notice they like buff your nails, so they will like go like this on the side, and I started doing that, and it just makes it like so smooth that I notice the nail polish kind of grips onto your nail better. So like I will buff my nails, and then I will wipe the dust off of my nail as well, so that that's not on there. And then I will go in with my base coat, which I like to use Ezzy products. I just think they work really well. I've tested a lot of different nail polishes, and these are kind of pricey, but I've noticed I've got the best results with it. So I will use the first coat, which is just a base coat polish, and it's kind of green. You just do one layer of this. I read the instructions on the package, and that's literally how I learned all of this. So I just do one coat of this on my nails, and then once that dries, I like to go in with my color that I chose, and I did a pink polish with a gold metallic nail. So I went in with Ezzy Mod Square, which is shade 224. It is my absolute favorite color. It is so fun, it's so vibrant, it's just so colorful, and I just feel like it's so pretty on my nails. So I will do one full layer of this on each hand, and then I will let that dry. Typically dry times like anywhere from 2 to like 10 minutes, and then I will go back and do a whole nother layer of the pink. You have to make sure like the first layer is completely dry, otherwise it gets like gooey. So then once you have your 2 layers dry, you put the top coat on. But so I did the sparkly nail, and I feel like this is such a throwback nail design, but I was like, I need to do something special for Valentine's Day. So I did use my Revlon Creme Brulee 915 shade for the base coat of the gold. It's a really pretty color. I've had this forever. I honestly don't know if it's still available. Usually nail polish doesn't last really long. I don't know why this one has, but I like it. So then I have my Sinful Colors Twilight Twinkles that I did after the 2 layers of the Revlon. So I would do 2 layers of this, and then before I put my top coat on, I did 1 layer of the sparkles on this nail. So this nail actually has more layers than all the other nails. And then once that was all completely dry, I put on my Good to Go top coat from Ezzy on top, and I would just do 1 layer of this once the nails are completely dry. Then I let this dry, and I literally will like not do anything for a solid 30 minutes. I'm like, my nails are wet, I can't do anything, just because I do not want to smudge them. I'm like the queen of like nicking nails, smudging it, but I'm slowly getting better at it. Let my nails air dry. I don't like dipping them in cold water. I don't put any sprays on it. I just think it works, you know? So then what I like to do while I'm waiting, like while my nails are wet and I have my fingers all like this, I like to read books. I think that's really relaxing. I like to listen to audiobooks. Like I'll just put my earbuds in and just kind of like chill. Of course, you might like want to watch Netflix or watch a YouTube video, because I like to do that as well, and just kind of prop my phone up, or if I'm watching on my computer or something. And then also it's really fun if you're like FaceTiming your friend, because you like don't really need your hands for that kind of stuff. Basically anything that you can do without your hands is great for when you're waiting for your nails to dry, just because you don't want to like accidentally nick your nails or something, you know? But I hope this video was helpful. I feel like you might already know this, but this is just my tips and tricks, and a lot of you guys have been asking me about it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so awesome. Again, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!